Right, today's video, another van video, the good old Scudo. This time we're having a few problems with the turbo, and I bought this stuff here, this Revive, so we're going to give that a shot, see if it actually works. Right, so a little bit of background info on this. This has now got 182 or 183,000 miles on it. Had exactly the same problem at about 80,000 or 90,000, so it's more or less the 90,000 cycle, if you like. So I've got these codes come up. I'll print something up on the screen so you can see. It was something, I think it was P0234, which is turbo overboost, and P0402 excessive EGR flow, something to the likeness of that. Anyway, basically it's a turbo overboost, and it only seems to do it on long runs. It happened, I was at Manchester, went to Manchester or Bolton a couple of weeks ago, and after sort of 3 hours, 3 hours of running on the motorway, engine light on, and this fault. Last time I replaced the turbo, I had it replaced, cost about 1,200 quid. This time I'm going to try this Revive, which is meant to clean out the turbo and all the vanes. Normally the problem with this overboost is when the vanes, it's like a variable, I'll start again, a variable vane turbo. So as they start to carbon up, whatever, from what I gather they sort of jam. So this is meant to clean it up. So I'm basically going to give this a go, run it down. I've got a job down at Nottingham and I've got one down at Manchester, so I'll give it a blast and we'll see if the problem occurs. Hopefully this is going to fix it. Alright, so the first thing I'm just going to pop the bonnet. I'll need that up, and I'll just open this roller, shut the door so I don't gas myself when we get this engine running. This bonnet open. So basically we've got to take this air box off and you sort of spray the stuff in there. I'm going to go and read the instructions first, I think, and then I'll get back and we'll put that camera on there. We'll just do a time lapse of it. I'll probably put some written instructions up, what I've actually done, the procedure and that. So there's the first lot done. I've sprayed part A and part B in, but what I have noticed was quite a lot running out the bottom of this pipe, which obviously hasn't been sucked in, so I don't know whether it's going to do much good or not, but we'll find out. So we're just giving it a little rest now. You have to wait for 4 minutes and then we'll put the last lot in and then take it for a blast. Gets its chance, doesn't it? So that's the last lot in, reconnected the air box, just going to let it idle now for 5 minutes. Just come back from a drive because you have to take it for a blast around the block, more than around the block, 20-minute drive this year. Ran alright, I couldn't stop looking at the dash thinking the engine lights were going to come on, but they haven't. Anyway, what I'll probably do, this video was intended more to see if this product works rather than like how to do it. But if you look at these instructions, they're pretty rubbish. So what I'm going to do I'm going to print it on the screen if I can, just some notes, like brief instructions how to do it, but there are some better videos. There's one, I don't know, it was an Australian guy, I think it was. I'll try and leave a link in the description or something below. His video is more detailed, actually how to put the product in and stuff like that. So I've got my journey, my trip down to Manchester and Bolton and Nottingham later in this month, probably in the next couple of weeks time, so that's when we'll find out if it's working, if she's running alright. Because like I say, little journeys, I've even been nipping up to Newcastle and back, bombing up and down the motorway, and it's been perfectly fine. It's on the long runs when I get this full, so time will tell. So what I'll do, I'll probably do I might put this video out, and then in a couple of weeks time after I've been on that trip, put another video out and let you know if the engine light stayed off and if it's worked. So hopefully it will. So as always, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then hopefully I'll report back on this in the next couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. I should have a short video letting you know whether it's worked or not. So thanks very much.